Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share for you guys. I was scrolling through Instagram like I do every single day, and I came across a post from Crepe Paper, and they were featuring one of their design members. I'm pretty sure you guys know who she is. Her name is Bia Valent, I think it's how you pronounce her last name, or Valent. And you guys, I love her. She is so creative. I love all her projects. I try to recreate as many as I remember, because sometimes I'm scrolling through it while I'm at work and I forget. But I saw that they posted these super cute little tote bags, and you guys, I could not stop thinking about them. So I had to come home and make them. I'm going to have the template listed down below so that you guys, if you want to create it, you don't need a die for this. You just basically need to print out the template, cut it out, and you can make your own. So it's super easy. You don't need to have the Cricut, you don't need to have a die. They're super easy. It doesn't get any more easier than this, let's just say. So yeah, I'm so excited. I used some confetti papers that I had because they're double-sided, and I filled each one with the goodies that I've been making for Valentine's Day. And you guys, I love it. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take all the stuff out of one bag just to show you guys. I haven't showed you guys some memory dex cards that I made. I did post them on my Instagram, but I'm going to be making a separate video showing you guys those memory dex cards. But this is what the bags look like. Super cute. And they hold a lot, you guys. So like I said, I have a memory dex card, well, 2 memory dex cards in there. I have some of the little booth girls that I made, the little bag topper. I have some other stuff that I haven't shown you guys. There will be a video on some more Valentine's Day stuff, so I don't want to go into those. And then I have in here a rosette and a cute little heart. And look, you guys, this is what it looks like in the inside. I added some Hobby Lobby ribbon because I saw that she had done that on the blog, and I absolutely love it. So I did the mint green one. I put this little bow from Bella Boulevard. This cute little Hello Love is a Simple Stories, I think it's romance, from the romance collection. Some little brads. You guys, this is adorable and a perfect way for you to like store goodies to send to a pen pal. You can also like wrap them up. And then I did this one. It's just vice versa. Like the floral part is in the inside for this one, and then this pattern is in the inside for this one. So it's basically just vice versa. But you guys, I think they're super cute. You definitely should try it. I'll have the template down below, and let me know if you guys are going to try them out. I am obsessed. I'm definitely going to make some more. And I just think they're perfect. So that's this super quick little video. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.